Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampingup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's project features the With You in Mind stamp set. It's featured in the mini catalogue from Stampin' Up. It's on pages 18 and it's this catalogue right here. Love the stamp set. It is so useful for multiple occasions. Great size and great font. We're going to make a 3D item today, this little slider box. And then we're going to make it in a different colour. Just opens up like this. And then I've got a couple of coffee sachets in there. But you could put whatever you like in this little box. The paper we're going to use today is not this one, but it's from the terrific Toadstools 6x6 Designer Series paper stack. Look at all this gorgeous paper. Bright colours. It's actually an item that's part of our Celebration promotion. We're going to use this one, by the way, which is, this paper is free when you make a qualifying purchase. So in New Zealand, a qualifying purchase is $125. So if you shop with me and you spend that much, you can, at checkout, you can select what the item that you would like that's free. So let's go ahead and get this made. It's pretty easy, actually. So let's start with a piece of cardstock. This measures 8.5 by 5.5. Now I have put all the details of the scoring and cutting in the description bar below. Oops, sorry, did that move slightly? I think it did. Let's get this back in. So bring in your Simply Scored tool, or you could use your trimmer, whatever you prefer. Right, let's go on this long side and score at 1. And 7.5. Flip it round to the short side and score it at 1/2 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches, and 4.5. Get your bone folder and give all of those scored lines a really good fold and burnish. That's all done. The box actually goes together sort of like this. We're obviously going to fold in those side pieces. This narrow piece at the top here, that's the top of the box. All right, so let's start with that. So with the top, that narrow strip, you're going to cut off these 2 side pieces. And then just wedge it out a little bit. Okay, and then with these pieces on the side, so you're having it in that portrait mode, just going to cut up from the up to that length, up to the horizontal score mark there. So don't cut these out, just cut up. Way that one, that one, and that one. Now this one, these 2 tabs here that are at the top, all right, they need to just be trimmed off a little bit, just so that they sit, they sit in a bit easier. You don't have to, you can leave them a full size, but I just think it's a little bit easier if you trim them. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is applying some adhesive to these side tabs and then folding that one up. Then the box folds in like this. Okay, so let's put some tape on here. So these 2 side pieces here are going to have some tape. These 2, oops, just there and there. Should use Stampin' Seal Plus, but my Stampin' Seal was right at hand, so we'll use that instead. just fold in one and make it nice flush with the back, and then fold in the other one. Oops. Okay, then on the other side, same thing, and then bring up that side piece. Might have been out of the frame there, Mum, sorry. Okay, and then that folds down, and then that comes across. Oh, might just need to trim, might need to wedge that one a bit. There we go, so it sits a bit flush. Here we are. And there you have it. I've got that a bit uneven right there, haven't I? So let's just trim that off. Make it a bit straighter. Right. Now you're going to grab that piece of Designer Series paper, and all we're going to do is wrap it round. So we'll fold it. There's no scoring dimensions for it, because what I do is I just wrap it, and then I'm just going to very, very gently squeeze on the sides. There we go. And then come back and burnish them. This paper is so pretty. There's actually a really cute Terrific Toadstools stamp set and punch also in this Stampin' Up catalogue, the mini catalogue. Very cute. Alright, and that's it. Which way is it going to go? That way. Snail's going that way. Pop some tape on here. And there you have it. Slides off just like that. Now all that remains is to adhere our sentiment, which I have actually stamped earlier. This is Granny Apple Green, and because there's Granny Apple Green in the back of this background of this paper, Granny Apple Green, and this is one of the Nested Essentials dies that I've used to stamp it onto. And the only thing I'm not sure about is the ribbon. This is a Pretty in Pink ribbon. I think it's a Pretty in Pink. Is it Pretty in Pink? Yeah, this is such pretty ribbon. I think I want to use that one. Yeah, let's go with that. I'm going to adhere this with dimensional, just in the center. Oops, it's that way. I think it's really cute. So a couple of dimensionals on the back. 1, 3. Just straight on there. Oops. It's just kind of overlap ever so slightly. That's okay. And then got a bit of the white space there to the left of the sentiment. So that's where I'm going to get that ribbon. I should have put something inside here. It's easier to finish putting a box together when there's actually something inside it. But it's okay. It's okay. We can live with it. What do you think? The Pretty in Pink ribbon? I think it's okay. I mean, really, I guess it doesn't matter. As long as there's a bit of ribbon there, I like a bow. Alright, just bring that in a little bit. And trim that off. And there you have it. A cute little box using the Terrific Toadstool Designer Series paper and the With You in Mind stamp set. As I said, I have put a link to all the products in the description bar below. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary@gmail.com. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.